On the early morning of Saturday, May 14th, 2011, every soul in Haiti was awake to prepare for an exciting moment in the history of Haitian politics. Young men and women who have sworn to serve their country and their fellow citizens line up to witness and salute their new head of state in the White House yard. Performers, musicians, and journalists alike were ready to perform and capture the memorable event that would unfold in the hours to come while sharing it with the rest of the world. In the midst of all this commotion, on-camera staff was on point with every action and details as usual. You are looking at the falling White House during the January 12 devastating earthquake that severely shook part of Port-au-Prince and surrounding areas. Even though major part of the palace has been destroyed, other parts that were not affected are still being used. To attend the presidential ceremony, everyone had to go through the security checkpoint. It's been nearly 2 years, and everything seemed as if the earthquake happened a few months ago. All the governmental buildings affected by the quake have remained out of commission, and God knows for how long. The temperature that morning was nearly perfect. If the cloud could serve as a diffuser to the sunlight, it would absorb or diminish the intensity of the heat. In other words, if one was in the shade, then one would have described it as a wonderful day for the ceremony. Many Haitians who live in and outside of the country would miss this great architectural monument that was designed in 1912 by Georges H. Bossan, who was born in 1874 and died in 1958.
Observation, on dit que ça que nous faisons là, c'est pas ton affaire en Haïti qui t'est divisé, c'est ton affaire en seul Haïti. Si que nous avons même chaleur ça, même énergie ça, même positivité ça, ça veut dire futur la vie. Ouais, psychologiquement, les Haïtiens parlent avec les Haïtiens, on dit comment il est, les Haïtiens disent, on pas plus mal. Qui veut dire, il toujours mettre mon mal dans la donne, même si bagaille un petit Jean balancé passé dans la psychologie, il faut qu'on ait mal fait quand même. Vous comprenez? So, comment nous y est, donc bien, donc pour notre travail, pour le pays.